Hey, hello and welcome to another video. It's a new video actually, but today I'm gonna show you, as if you've seen it in the title. Today I'm gonna show you how to fix your Valorant loading screen issue. It happened to me like last week, and it was actually annoying. I had like in just 24 hours my game like freezed while launching the match. It freezed like 5 times, and it was actually super annoying. So I had to fix it, but I couldn't see any helpful YouTube video, as if I ran Valorant as administrator, and I did all those kind of stuff, but nothing worked. My network is okay; it's working fine. My computer is fine. I have a good gaming PC, so I couldn't know what's the issue. But I've contacted the Valorant developers and the support team in general, and they showed me some steps, and those steps I'm gonna show you to you right now. And I hope this actually helps you, because it was very annoying to me. Well, it's important. Look, this is the stuff that the Valorant support team showed me. So I hope this is gonna be I think this is gonna be helpful, like 100%, because it helped me, even though I even tried everything, but nothing worked. So first of all, let's see. All right. Well, this step worked for me 100%, the first one, but the second one I didn't even try it because my game got fixed. So first of all, it says it's important that you have the latest Windows update, because like in general, every game, anything needs a new update. Like you need to update your Windows. So like you go to the settings, alright, and then you go to update and security, and then you check for updates. So my PC is up to date. I've checked today, and it's up to date. Alright, so first step is done. The second step, well, this is kind of complicated. Don't worry, I'm gonna put it in the description below. So first of all, let's type in the search Windows Defender Firewall. Alright, shit. Yeah, there we go. The Windows Defender Firewall, this one. You gotta press it, and then press on allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Alright, now let's put this aside. Okay, so first of all, you're gonna press change settings. Alright, and then you're gonna press allow other app, and then browse, and then you have to go to the file path that's showing here, or the description below. If you have your game in C drive, just follow this one. If you have the file on D drive, another driver, your SSD or something, just go to D drive and then Riot Games, alright, and then Valorant live, and then VALORANT.exe. Press open, alright, and it's gonna show up in here, alright, an application. Just press add. When you press add, this window will close, alright, and it's gonna be here, like the first one. So make sure that, wait, let me show you. I think it's gonna be Bootstrap packaged game. Just check private and public, check both of them, alright, and then do the same steps to the other ones. So allow another app, browse, and then mine is in D drive. Okay, Riot Games, Valorant, Live, ShooterGame, Riot Games, Valorant, Live, ShooterGame, and then okay, and then yeah, and then you're gonna find it the Valorant when 64 shipping. All right, press it. Press open and then add. All right, and then check both of them and do the same on this one and this one too, both of them. And then when you're finished, just press OK, and then that's it. And then just close this tab, and voila, you're done. So the next thing, well, when you open the game and launch the game, a match, it might give you a freezing screen again, but it's gonna give you a loading screen. It might give you a loading screen, alright. But if it did, just do your thing, dodge or something, remake, whatever. Or I prefer going to a practice, alright. And then if it lagged or if it freeze, just Alt F4, alright. If it did that again, it's okay. It happened to me like twice. When I did this, it happened to me twice. Alright. So make sure Alt F4 and just close the game and then restart your computer or shut down. But what I did is I shut down the computer. So of course, before you do when you finish all of those steps, when you add the file path, first of all, restart and then go to the game and then launch. If it happened, it's okay. It will happen 1 or 2 times. That's what happened to me. Alright. And then I've waited like 1 day. I got I was mad and stuff. So I left the game, and I went to sleep, and when I came back and tried to play the game, it was all fixed. There is no issues or anything, alright? But in any case, if it didn't run, alright, and it was still, lagging and stuff, freezing, you can try step 3, which clean boot. So as you can see, clean boot the computer to make sure other programs aren't interfering with the game can be a good troubleshooting step, although it's important to keep the VGC service checked as it's required for Valorant to run. What he means is when you go to the run tab, just press Windows plus R, or you can just type run in here, alright. So type msconfig, see, msconfig, and then press OK. So go to services and then hide all Microsoft services. It's important to do that. And literally, if you don't have anything important, just disable all of them. That's what the supporter team told me. Just disable everything. But I actually was kinda scared. I didn't disable the Nvidia stuff and Intel, So I only disabled the Oculus VR and Steam client. That's all I did. But it's, as he said, VGC, it's required to be checked. So make sure to keep this checked, because Valorant needs it to run. And then press OK, and then it's gonna tell you to restart. Yeah, restart. Alright. So in any case, if it didn't work, close Steam and stuff. What the fuck? Never mind. What? Okay, my Nvidia shut down. Never mind. So in any case, if it didn't run, alright, if it's still screen freezing and stuff, just wait a day or something and it will be fixed. But if you waited a day and then it didn't fix it, it didn't happen, nothing happened, you can go to the other step, which I actually didn't make, but I will tell you what to do. So if step 2 or 3 are done by default, you can skip them. Alright, these are the number of network issues that can be resolved by performance a quick reset or a power cycle of your home network. Here's some step-by-step instructions to help you perform a power cycle for your home network. So this is something that you're not gonna do with your PC, it's something that you're gonna do with your network. So first of all, shut down all computers connected to your home network, modern router or anything. Then power down or unplug your router if you use one. Power down or unplug your modem. Have both devices off for at least 60 seconds, because when you close it for 60 seconds, a minute, your IP resets. Alright. Note, if your modem has a battery backup, you will need to take the battery out for 60 seconds or use the reset button on the modem. Alright. Number 5, turn your modem and allow it to completely boot up. Wait until your indicator lights on the device stop blinking and displays a steady green connection. Steady, I mean, it's green or blue, whatever you have. Mine is blue. 6, turn on the router if you have one and allow it to completely boot up as well. 7, start the computer and allow it to completely boot up and re-establish the internet connection. Alright. And then now let's disable IPv6 as it's it's not compatible with League and Valorant and Runeterra and those kind of Riot games stuff. So they don't fully support it yet. Alright, so what you need to do is hit start and type network and sharing. You can do this by just going into here, open network and internet settings. Alright, and then and the left, change adapter settings, network and sharing on the left. Alright, change adapter settings. So you go to network and settings, sharing center, and then change adapter settings. Alright, and then open the network. And then open it. Okay, and click change router settings. Right click on the connection properties, and then uncheck internet protocol version 6. That's the IPv6. Alright, so you've gotta find it, this one, and you uncheck it. Alright, so I'm not gonna do that because my game is already working, so I don't need to do anything more, because I don't want to do anything more and then it doesn't work, and then press OK, as he said. Then after you uncheck the box, press OK, and that's it. So for the fourth step, okay, so now switch to public DNS. Switching to a public DNS may resolve the issue you are experiencing, as here it's a tutorial on how to do it properly. But before you do all of this, make sure when you did this one, the disabling the IPv6 every time, just restart the computer and then go to the Valorant and then check if it's working or not. Alright, if it's not, go to this step, open start menu, okay, open this and type cmd, this one, and then right click and then open as administrator. Alright, and then press yes. Now type the following commands. You gotta type this one. Alright, and then type this one, and then this, and then, you know, hit enter, of course, as he said, and if in each one, and then this one, and then you enter, and then this one, and then you enter. So I've did this like last time on a different, I mean, in League of Legends. So what it does, it restarts your IP, you know, stuff like this, and it's restarts your IP. Now, for the last tip, it's actually very simple. Just right click and then go to right click on the Windows, and then go to Device Manager. Alright, and then in Device Manager, double click on the network adapter. Okay, so network adapter. You can press the arrow and or double click. It's up to you. Doesn't matter. And then double click the network adapter, right click your adapter, and then select properties. So you have to know which adapter you're using. All right. So like right click, okay, and then go to properties, or you can just update driver. So he says, you know, go to properties and then driver, and then and then select the driver tab, and then update. So you gotta update. So when you press update, you're gonna search automatically for drivers, see, and then it's gonna be like there is a loading. You just gotta wait. It's gonna take a couple of seconds, and then after it, it's gonna tell you installation complete or something like that, and then you just press OK, and then just press OK again, and that's it. You're all done. So there is no more steps, and I'm sure it will work. Alright, and yeah, make sure that Valorant is, you know, running an administrator and stuff. It's like the old videos, but actually that didn't work for me. So yeah, I'm showing you a real step. If you don't believe me, here I'm gonna show you. Sorry, here. Oh shit. Okay, I'm gonna show you. Here, see. I'm not even lying to you. I've talked to him. Alright, and he showed me the steps as I showed you. Type this and this and this and this and this. So like, and of course in the beginning, the stuff that I showed you, the file path. So I'm not even joking, or you know, scamming or whatever you can say about. So yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you are, you know, I hope you are I hope you enjoyed this video. Please, if this helped you, please like the video, and you know, of course, subscribe. And if you have any questions, if you have anything that you want to ask me, just comment down below, and I will comment back 100%. Thank you for watching, and have a good day.